Hello everyone. The next topic is chikungunya. Okay. And the spelling goes like this: CHIKUN and not KEN, which is often mistaken many times. CHIKUNGUNYA. It's chikungunya. Okay. So the causative organism is chikungunya virus, group A virus, and again it is transmitted by Aedes aegypti mosquito. Is mentioned Aedes aegypti mosquito. Okay, the first isolation of a case was done in Tanzania in epidemic 1952 to 53. That is for 1 year epidemic has occurred in Tanzania 1952 to 53. Next in India. In India, it occurred in 2006 and the first outbreak was in Andhra Pradesh. After Andhra Pradesh is spread up to Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, UP, Odisha, West Bengal, and so on. So first outbreak in India was in 2006 and in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next, we will move on to this is the epidemiology of chikungunya. The outbreak occurred in India 2006 in Andhra Pradesh. So this is the epidemiology. Okay. The next we will come to clinical features. The incubation period is 4 to 7 days. Okay. The main symptom which we usually see in chikungunya is known as arthropathy. Arthropathy, that is ARTHROPATHY, arthropathy, which is usually seen in adults, and it has a tri symptom, that is pain, swelling, stiffness. You can remember it by PSS: pain, swelling and stiffness. जब भी कोई पेशेंट आता है आपकी क्लिनिक पे, अगर वो बोलता है कि उसे 1 से 2 साल पहले चिकनगुनिया हुआ था एंड 3-4 साल बाद कभी भी अगर उसे पेन होता है जॉइंट्स में, स्वेलिंग लगती है, स्टिफनेस लगती है, तो उसे हम बोलते हैं अर्थ्रोपैथी. दैट इज अर्थ्रोपैथी: पेन, swelling and stiffness, and it usually occur in adults. The joints which are involved are metacarpophalangeal joints. Metacarpophalangeal joint, that are wrist joint, elbow joint, knee joint, ankle joint. Okay. Then the next is articular pain are present in limbs, spinal column, chills, and anorexia is present. Then lumbago is present, fever is present. Onset of chikungunya is sudden. Okay? The onset is sudden. Then next we will come to the management part. In management, we have to focus on the vector control. That is, we have to control the vector Aedes aegypti. So it can be controlled by a use of a organophosphorus compound known as abate. ABATE, abate, organophosphorus compound, in a form of sprays. And the next we can use ULV, that is ultra low volume spray, malathion and sumithion. Okay, there is no vaccination. Again, the treatment is symptomatical. Okay, diagnosis is can be done through RT-PCR, reverse transcriptase polymerase chain. Rapid diagnosis can only be obtained through this. Then comes the immunoglobulin. Uh, the common immunoglobulin which will be seen is IgM. IgM. Okay. And the meaning of word chikungunya is doubling up. Meaning is doubling up. Okay. So this is what it covers for chikungunya.